Recon, man. We got a 2019 GMC Yukon with some seat damage on the driver's seat bolster. Some color missing, as you can see through here, and some dirt. So we'll get it scrubbed up, prepped, and repaired. We're going to use the high temp, durable vinyl repair compound from ClassicDyeProducts.com. Then we'll mix up some dye and get it sprayed. Back in a minute. We got her repaired. I think she turned out pretty good. There was a couple chunks missing back here, chunk missing there, and a chunk missing there, split there. Let's get a color mixed up and get her sprayed. Back with the finished product. That's where the repair was. Turned out pretty good. Color match looks pretty good. Seat overall looks great. That wraps this one up. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.